circulatory benefits?
Circulatory benefits. There could be peripherally. That's not really what the device is for. However, Mary does have a Powerplate. Powerplate is another therapy modality that is dynamite for circulatory purposes. Basically, it's a whole body vibration platform that makes the body unstable. And as the body becomes unstable, reflexes begin to fire. That in itself is all the whole body vibration platform does. However, when reflexes fire, when you activate, let's say, almost every muscle in your body to compensate for the instability, so that reflexive stabilization does two things. One is it engages a lot of muscle, which immediately calls on blood flow. The other is there's a neuroendocrine trigger. So when the body becomes unstable, the central nervous system sees that as a deficit of performance. You're not able to stand on the surface you're standing on. So there are 3 hormonal changes that we've seen with whole body vibration. One is a decrease in cortisol, which is the stress hormone. It's also the hormone that typically is responsible for storing body fat. So you decrease that hormone, so that's great, you're losing body fat. You're increasing serotonin, which is sort of like that does a lot of things, but it makes you feel great. It's sort of like the runner's high is what that's discussed with. And most importantly, there's an increase in growth hormone. Now, growth hormone gets a lot of bad press because a lot of people use it to cheat in sports. But when it's naturally secreted, it's one of the most important hormones that you have in your body, and it's inappropriately named. It should really be called human repair hormone. Because what it does when you use whole body vibration is it triggers a relaxation of arteries. So blood pressure goes up because every time there's a pulse from the heart, I'm trying to explain this so I'm not boring everybody. The arteries do not, they're supposed to expand, and then the visceral muscle surrounding the arteries contracts and pushes the pulse further away. So someone with poor circulation is known to have cold feet, right? We've heard this. Now the reason is your feet are the furthest from your heart, of any part of your body. So that makes sense. But when an artery, which is supposed to expand and then contract and push that pulse, can't expand anymore, what happens? Blood pressure goes up. Because the heart's pushing the blood into the artery and it can't expand. So that makes the pressure go up. So what whole body vibration has been seen to do? And it's great that you asked the question because just this year, 3 pieces of clinical literature that came out showing 3 different populations all had relaxation of arterial stiffness. So this directly addresses the problem. So the flexibility of the arteries came back and without weight loss. So typically weight loss shows a relaxation of arteries, but for some people that's difficult or it's not immediate enough. They have high blood pressure, they don't know what to do in immediacy other than some of the medications that are out there. Here we have a way to address the problem very quickly and with a natural response from the body. I feel like you were like set up to ask me right now.
No, I have bad circulation.